everyone, it's Jill here, and we are shooting the first video in our virtual fall clinic series, and today we're going to be talking about Gen 4, and we are sitting in an S770 combine, correct? And we're going to go through the setup process of the Gen 4 display system.
Correct.
Anything else we're going to talk to them about today?
No, we're just going to go through a basic documentation setup.
Okay, so we will get started with that right now for you guys. Okay. So now we have started up our combine and got the Gen 4 display loaded up and ready to go. So now what are we going to do, Luke?
So we're going to accept our setup file from our operations center that we just sent out. So to do that, we need to go to the main menu in the bottom right. Then we're going to go to System, there on the left. We're going to go to Files Manager. We have an imported file there from My John Deere, so go to Next. And there's our list of setup files that we sent to the combine, so if you just select one of those and hit Next, and now it's going to show us the data that is in the file for download.
So all of that data is going to be the planting data from your different fields, your field boundaries, your varieties,
right?
All of that information, correct?
Flag farm field, boundaries, variety locator.
Okay.
Is what we have. So there with those check boxes, if there's flags or a variety locator or something that you do not want to import, you can deselect it. We're going to go ahead and accept all of those, so just hit the check mark for import. Okay. Just exit out of that. And now we're going to go down to our work setup. This is where you can input all of your documentation data. We're on the 2630. You have to go to 4 or 5 different pages. We can just do it all from one. So you're just going to select down through our field list. We only have the one field. Hit OK. If you look on the right in your work summary, you have your crop type and your variety. Right now, if you select in that variety box, you have the option to select a variety or run a variety locator map. Right now, we have the variety locator selected, so we'll just hit OK on that. And the other thing you can check here is in the equipment box. Right now, we just have the combine. If we had a header hooked up, we would have a box for our header too. But right now, if you just hit combine, this is where you can go and adjust your GPS offsets, which are important if you're running RowSense, and you can also adjust your header dimensions. Just hit save on that. And that's basically all you have to do for your Gen 4 setup.
So after setting up your client and your farm and your field, we are now good to go harvest our test plot if it were to be ready right now.
Yep, if all of our adjustments are properly made according to the owner's manual of the combine, and we're ready to start picking.
Sounds great. So now that we're done setting up the Gen 4 display, you guys can head to the field as soon as harvest is ready and know how to set it up. Personally, this is the first time I've done a Gen 4 display, so if I could do it, that's good instruction skills from Luke. But if you have any questions or issues, please feel free to give our Integrated Solutions Department a call, and they'll help you either over the phone or even come out to the field and help you get everything set up correctly so you're ready to run. And be on the lookout for our next virtual fall clinic sessions. Have a great day.